In this video, we will show you how to install a backbone on an Isuzu D-Max. To start, apply masking tape in the gutter above the door jamb and working area to easily make reference points when measuring. From the door jamb, measure 275mm to the front of the vehicle and make a reference point, followed by measuring another 315mm to the front of the vehicle and make another reference point. Now, measure 718mm to the rear of the vehicle and make a reference point, followed by measuring 760mm to the rear of the vehicle and make a reference point. With the reference points marked, place the backbone on the vehicle to see if the measurements are accurate. Before proceeding to cutting the ditch mould, it is highly recommended to apply masking tape around the area to prevent scratching or damage to your vehicle. Peel back the inside edge of the gutter at the area where the ditch mould needs to be cut. Carefully using a set of sharp cutters, cut the inside edge of the ditch moulding. Push the ditch moulding forward and complete the remainder of the cut. Repeat this for all marked locations on the ditch moulding. With the ditch exposed, carefully remove the patches. Using a 3mm drill bit, drill through the centre of the ditch carefully to expose the hole, followed by drilling a larger hole with a 7mm drill bit. Follow the same step for all other mounting positions. With the holes now exposed, die grind the opened holes, exposing the nut certs below. Remove all swarf with a vacuum, then wipe with a damp microfiber cloth. Apply a liberal amount of cold galvanizing solution to the inside and surrounds of all holes. Then allow the cold galvanizing solution to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the solution is dry, you can now remove all the masking tape from around the mounting points. Then install the butyl patches. Remove one side of the protective tape from the butyl patches provided. Place carefully over the exposed threads. Then remove the top layer of protective tape from the installed patches. Follow the same step for all other mounting holes. Now place the backbone onto the vehicle. Be sure that they are in the correct orientation. Start by finger tightening the backbone in place with M8 socket head screws, which should have the M8 spring and flat washer applied. Tighten with an Allen key. The hardware can be accessed easily from the outside of the vehicle. When setting up the Pioneer, it is important to identify the rear of the Pioneer. You can do this by locating the label on the back of the Pioneer. Start loosening all the hardware on the Pioneer underbars to adjust the bars for specific vehicles. For the Isuzu D-Max, the centre underbar must be aligned on 0. Once positioned, tighten this underbar with the torque tool provided. The rear underbar should align on 52. Again, tighten it with the torque tool provided. The front underbar should align on -54.5 and tighten with the torque tool provided. Insert the T-bolts into the front and rear underbars on each side. You are now ready to place the Pioneer on your Isuzu D-Max backbone. Place the Pioneer on the vehicle with 2 people. Align the underbar T-bolts on top of the backbone tabs. Make sure the Pioneer is evenly spaced out and centered on the roof. Once correctly positioned, finger tighten the M8 hardware and tighten it using appropriate tool. Follow the same step for all other remaining mounting positions. Make sure all fixtures are secure before use. This now completes our installation of Isuzu D-Max backbone.